Hey you guys, let's go ahead and start filming my Easter two-tier tray. So let's get started. I love this tray. Let me tell you, it is the best thing that I have ever purchased. And the first thing I'm adding is this Rae Dunn sugar, and it's just a little pot like this. But what I really love about it is the bunny on top. It is so cute. It fits perfectly on the bottom of my tray, and I'm gonna put it just at the corner. If you can see the little bunny, it is adorable. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and add is this very cute little cup that I picked up for Easter, and you can also use these on Valentine's, and they're from Rae Dunn as well. So I'm just going to add it in the corner right there, and I love the fact that it has the little heart, so go ahead and check those out. The next thing I'm going to add is this little stand. It is actually a picture frame. All I did was paint them white, and I use them as just a regular little stand. And I'm going to go ahead and add something on top. I might push it all the way back to the side. I have no idea how these things turn out until I actually make them and I put them together. I'm always changing it around, changing it up, taking it away, adding more. All of these trays are so different. You can so customize it to whatever design you like. So I'm just going to go ahead and play with it and add some stuff and see what I come up with. I'm going to go ahead and add my little marshmallow cup, which I adore. And in the back of it, it has a little bit of the fuzzy Dollar Tree dots that I picked up. And they're perfect for Easter. I love the colors. And there's every color you see on there is going to be there. The next thing I'm picking up is this Rae Dunn home candle, which is my favorite. I love the fact that it says home. And you can use it for every holiday. And so far, if you've seen me film my two-tier trays, I've been using it for every holiday. And it's going to be perfect for the next one as well. So if you get your hands on the one that says home, definitely purchase it. The next thing I'm going to add is this adorable, let me tell you, I'm just moving stuff around as I'm talking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm going to link the link down below. Is this cute little bird's nest. Oh my God. I've been having this little nest for years. And I'm just going to go ahead and add 3 little Easter eggs. And it fits perfect on the top of the candle. Look at how cute it fits. Isn't that perfect? So I decided to leave it on top. And all I added was 3 little mini eggs from the dollar store. And it fits adorable. I'm going to go ahead and add this little bunny that's actually a salt and pepper shaker. And it is one of my favorite pieces so far for Easter. Are that little bunny right there and the other one that goes with it are my favorite pieces that I have picked up so far. And they were just $5. So you can't go wrong. I'm going to go ahead and add this that I DIY'd in one of my videos. All I did was add a couple of the beads, and it gives it a little pop of color. I love the color on here. The next thing I'm going to add are these little bunnies that I painted and I made a video of. And I added the tails at the back on some of them, and some of them I left them plain. So I did different colors. I did the green, the white, and the pink. So you can just play around with these. They're perfect. You could just put them up, put them around your house, display them, change them. So now I'm going to move a little back so you can see the top of the tray. And I'm still going to be moving things around at the bottom. I'm going to use my little wood stands just to display a couple more things on the top. And look at this adorable whipped cream I made. Isn't it gorgeous? It has the pink egg and the green eggs. And my little marshmallow cup is so cute. Now, see how it's not pressing down? I'm going to go ahead and grab a little piece of tape just to press it down. But if you want to make the video of the whipped cream, I'm going to link that down below as well. So you could go ahead and check it out how I made the video. You can use different color straws. You can use different color eggs. You could customize it to whatever Easter color you're using. If you're using the yellow this year or even the purple. I went with the green, the pink, and the white this year. And those were my colors. And that's what I have around my house as well as my centerpiece and my garland. But look at how adorable it shows right there. I just moved the camera just a little back so you could go ahead and get the whole look. I'm going to add this little jar that is from Walmart, and it's one of my favorite pieces. As soon as I posted it on my Instagram, it sold out the next day. So go ahead and check out my Instagram. I love posting anything I find there, so you guys go ahead and get a heads up so you can make your shopping list and go buy your stuff that you need. But this little jar, you can't get it anymore. It's sold out. Let me tell you, it's sold out super fast, as well as the other kind they had. I think they had them in white and in blue. I'm going to go ahead and add my rolling pin. It's my mini rolling pin that I DIY'd. Go ahead and check out that video as well. It's on my Easter playlist. And that looks perfect right there. I love it. I'm going to add just a little dollar store egg on the bottom of the cup. I thought that would be very cute as just a final detail. I'm going to add the green bunny. And behind it, I'm going to go ahead and add the white one. I kind of want the green one to show more than the white one because of the color. I think it's fabulous. And I just going to go ahead and add a little stand here, just so the little bunny jar could show just a little more. Now, as I move everything around, things move out of place, things fall. You can also use glue dots if you want to glue something down and you don't want it to fall or move. But I have my 2-tier tray in a really sturdy place, so it doesn't move ever. Once I leave it there, the kids know not to touch it. Nobody touches it because I get crazy. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, I feel bad that I wasn't able to show the pink bunny, but like I said, if you can't show it, don't make it show. If it doesn't fit, don't add it. Leave it out. It just is what it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this little bag from the dollar store, and all I did was add a little bit of rice in it, and it stands up on its own. And I'm just going to add it in the back. I know you really can't see it, but I really wanted to add it. Now, this is the other bunny that comes with the salt and pepper set, and it is adorable. Now, you can add these little bunnies anywhere you want. Make sure if you get your hands on them, and if you get more than one set, buy it and go ahead and save it as a gift for next year for somebody, or even for Mother's Day. I'm sure they would love this little set of bunnies. And we are almost done with this. I'm going to go ahead and look at it, take a step back, and see what I can move around, see what I don't like, what I could take away, what I can add, what not to add. And this little bunny is so cute. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it in the back, even though you can't see it. I know it's pointless, but hey, whatever. I can always use it as another decor piece around the house. It's optional. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but let's just leave it there for now until, we decide what's happening. Now, the next thing I have is this gorgeous garland that I made a video on. So go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and link that down below as well. But look at how cute it is. Now, you can add the garland to your 2-tier tray if you want to, as a chain on the side, move it around. On the inside, if I didn't have the stands there, I probably would have added on the inside. But look at how gorgeous it is, and it gives it a pop of color. And I'm very happy the way these little garlands came out, and they were super affordable and super cheap and easy to make. So go ahead and make one. You can even add it inside the 2-tier tray. It's optional. You can hang it, you can leave it out. You can do so many things with these garlands. You can use it for any occasion, and you can also customize them. So I'm just moving stuff around like usual, trying to get everything how I like it. I'm really happy I picked up those little bunnies. And just trying to figure out where I'm going to put the garland. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to put it on the side, maybe hang it there. But it's really optional, and I'm happy I made it. And yeah, you don't even have to add it on there. I'm just giving you options of what I can do, what I will do. But I think next year I'm going to go ahead and make it a little shorter and just hang it on the front of the tray like that. I think that would be so cute, and that would actually be a better fit for it if I just hang it on the front. I think that is adorable. But for now, I don't think I'm using it, and that's okay. So right now I'm happy with the way the display looks, and that's exactly how I'm going to keep it, and that's how it's going to stay in my home. I hope you guys enjoyed making this with me and putting it together. I hope you got a couple of ideas and a couple of tips off me, and yeah. Let me show you my little bunny garland I made. That video is going to be up as well, but isn't that gorgeous? And until next time, bye you guys.